Hi everyone! Today we have a volunteer to cook. I'm going to take a break. Mr. Cameraman is going to cook his favorite vegetable dish, stir-fried potato. In Chinese,
土豆丝.
土豆丝, which means shredded potato. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's switch.
Okay, so here we go. This is fun. I love stir-fried potatoes. That's one of my favorite vegetables. So we have a russet potato. We're going to use one.
I already peeled it for you.
She already peeled it for me.
Thank
Thank you very much. Basically one potato, and it's soaked in water so it doesn't oxidize. And we also have some sweet mini peppers. These happen to be a big thing everywhere I see them, and I decided to try them. They're really delicious. And some garlic, of course some avocado oil and some vinegar, and what I love the most is these green Sichuan peppercorns. They have a real florally taste.
Yep.
And they smell, wow, they smell amazing. But you got to get them fresh. Okay, so first thing, we're going to cut the potato.
I will help.
Okay. So this is a little hard. I'm okay at it. I'm not the best at it, so I'm going to cut a few. I might have to ask you to help me, but you have to kind of be careful on the bottom. I like to kind of cut just a piece off, a little bit on the bottom, so to make it flat, so it's safer. So then you cut very thin slices of the potato. Watch your fingers and be very careful. You need a very sharp knife. Okay, so we have the potatoes sliced very thinly, and you kind of stack them up like this. Am I doing it right?
Yes, good job.
And then very thinly, you slice them.
Yep. Into strips.
To strips, yeah.
土豆丝. Good job.
You can also use a mandolin or like a peeler that has an attachment on it that will, like, you know, do juliennes. But I find that this is probably the best way. So we're done with slicing the potato. Again, you want to take these and put them into cold water so that they don't oxidize while you get the other ingredients ready. Next ingredients, we'll use these 3 peppers.
Nice color.
Yeah, they're beautiful and they're sweet.
You can also use the bell peppers.
You can use bell peppers or the green or red peppers. Cut the peppers, very thin slices.
Did you notice the Chinese cooking, right? We cut the ingredients into the same form.
Similar.
Yeah.
I'm not doing so well on this pepper here, but here we go. That's fine.
Looks good.
Okay, so let's finish with the garlic. Just cut these into thin slices. Okay, so the other thing you want to do is you want to rinse the potatoes. And sometimes you can dry them a little bit so they're not so wet. So rinse the potatoes, and now we're going to cook.
Great.
Okay, so we're heating up a non-stick wok or non-stick pan. You can also use a wok with this, but I like this pan.
Easier.
I love this pan. It's easier.
Takes less oil, right?
Yeah, but I use a lot of oil. So we put some oil with the garlic, and I like a little bit of salt in the beginning, and Sichuan peppercorns, put them in. Just watch, don't burn the garlic, but you want to get some good flavor into the oil.
Smells good already.
I know, it's awesome. Now let's put in the peppers.
Do you like your peppers crunchy, right?
Yeah.
A little crunchy.
Yeah, you don't want them to be soft, so soft.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to add the potatoes.
Already rinsed, right?
They're already rinsed.
Dried with paper towel.
Wow, it smells so good.
Yeah.
Those peppercorns.
Nice. Rocket. So how long will it take?
It depends on the potatoes and how thick they are, but I think it takes about, what, 5 to 10 minutes? Something like that, right? No, 5 minutes? About 5 minutes. I know sometimes when we get them at the restaurant, they're kind of crunchy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
But it all depends how you like it.
Exactly. You want to have some crunchiness.
Yeah, you want some bite.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more salt. The potatoes really like salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of white rice vinegar.
Looking good.
Yeah, smells good.
Can I try a piece?
It's hot. Careful. Wow.
Perfect.
I love it.
It's done.
That's it. So, here you go, folks. Stir-fried shredded potatoes.
Can't wait to eat. Looks good. Smells even greater. Wow. The Sichuan peppercorns smell so floral.
They smell great.
Yep. Can't wait to try. Good job.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Amazing.
So delicious.
You can
Perfectly
really taste.
done.
Yeah,
Perfectly seasoned. And you can taste the
you can
Sichuan
really taste the
peppercorns.
Sichuan peppercorns.
Yeah. Really
Wow.
adds a flavor too. And you can eat this every day, right?
I love it.
Please leave me comment below if you ever made stir-fried potato. You can do it. Mr. Cameron did it.
You can do it.
Yeah. So simple, right? And also let me know if you want to watch more Mr. Cameraman cooking. And I don't mind cooking, but I don't mind not cooking either. Yeah, if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.